Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy's other workshop. Uh, you see, Tomcat glue traps, mouse size. They do work, but there's one little problem. Unlike a Victor snap trap, which usually kills the mouse, one time it got a mouse across the pelvis and it escaped alive. Although it had a busted pelvis, I could tell by the way it was dragging its rear legs. These don't kill the mouse. Not quickly. They're stuck in the glue. They slowly die. I'll snuff the little pest off camera because, someone might consider putting it, euthanizing it to be animal cruelty. The reason we're using these is the mice here are too smart, or is it too stupid, to know that the peanut butter on the Victor Snap Trap is for them to enjoy. And we can't use decon because our little trans-species pet, Poncho, is a kitty cat stuck in a Chewini's body. He eats mouse. And we don't want a deconned mouse to die where he can get it and he get dead. Anyway, they work, but you have to kill the mouse. Or be cruel and just throw it in the garbage like they say. Good night from California. I'm sorry, little fella, but you can't be in my house. No, you can't. So you got to die. Hey, gang, this is Poppy's other workshop. What I'm recording right now is a follow-up report on Better Mousetrap 2. After I stopped recording the mouse, I went outside and I whacked Mickey. It was Mickey, it wasn't Michelle, it was Mickey. I whacked Mickey. Take that Sopranos whacked. Pick up something heavy and smash. But anyway, I put Mickey out of his misery. Then I tossed the whole thing in the garbage. Snap traps are better unless the mice you have are too stupid to realize that stuff in the snap trap is for them to nibble on. Decon is good unless you have a pet that likes to eat mouse. And you don't want your pet eating a deconned mouse. At least very sick, if not dead pet. So that leaves two things. These and you have to snuff the mouse yourself. Or you let mice overrun your house, chew holes in your drywall, crap all over the pots and pans under the oven in that drawer that pulls out under the oven. And the Tupperware you got in the cabinet, alongside the sink. Yeah, alongside the sink. They crap and urinate all over that. Frankly, if we didn't have Poncho, I'd just get a couple of wedges of decon. Put them where I know there's going to be a mouse that's hungry. Done it before, and the smell of dead mouse only lasts about a week. Yeah. I mean, hey, they die under the counter where you can't get at them. Well, he's dead. Anyway, that was a follow-up report on a Better Mousetrap 2. Good night from California. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask. Socially distance. And start wearing gloves. It's a nasty world full of filthy people leaving their shitty fingerprints all over the place. And even if there isn't COVID in their shitty fingerprints, do you want someone's shitty fingerprints touching your skin? I don't think so. Good night in California.